Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be telling how to solve this snake cube. So this cube is called a snake cube. That there's no specific reason for that, but this is the solved state of the snake cube. We generally make patterns from this cube, but this is usually the solved state. So there are many ways you can twist and turn this cube and solve it into a snake cube. I mean this square. So let's get started. As you can see that this cube is fully jumbled up. So first step is to bring it into a straight line, in a straight shape. So that isn't a big deal. You just have to twist and turn these pieces to make them in a straight line like this, and this one like this. So as you can see, the straight line is forming. And so the straight line will be a bit big. And so this is our straight line from here to here. It isn't coming in my full camera frame, so what I will do is zoom out the camera. A full snake cube in a straight line. So now what we have to do, count 6 from here, like 1 2 3 4 5 6, and now twist it like this twice, and now twist this piece, the fifth piece, like this twice. So somewhat like this shape will come where two blocks, red blocks are made now. Now we'll start off with this piece and now twist it twice, and now the adjacent piece will also be twisted twice, and this piece will be twisted twice in this direction, and now same for all the pieces like this. So after we have made 3-4 rows like this, and this much 1 2 3 4 5 pieces are left in last, you have to twist it twice in left direction, and then these both will join, and this cube is solved. So it's pretty easy, and it's a very easy tutorial. So it's a very fun cube for time pass, time lapse. So hope you enjoyed the video. Do like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon. Goodbye, take care.